I'm not sleeping very well. My concentration gone to hell. I've fallen under some ancient spell. Must be the gypsy in you. If you're not looking for a game.
Good morning. It's 8 AM, Monday, 4th of July, and we're setting off on another little mission adventure. I wasn't expected to be going again so soon, but the guys I was working for at Glastonbury, they are doing Noisily Festival in Market Harbour, Leicester. So I'm going to go up and help them with the build. So should be a week doing that, a bit of bar work over the weekend I think as well. So I thought I'd cycle up there, but it's too far to do in a day, so I'm going to cycle to King's Cross and then take the train up and then cycle from the station to the festival, which is about another hour. But I am ultra heavy today because I've had to bring my tools up. So I've got hammers, screw guns, nail bars, anything you can imagine tucked into all my different pockets. I don't know which one am I going down this way. So sorry about that. Got lost. I'm only 3 miles from my house. Yeah, so I've got tools everywhere, and God, the bike feels heavy. I can feel the weight in the saddle pack. It's going to be a slow and easy journey, no joking around. But it seems all right. I fixed all the bags, so everything seems to be holding. So I've got about an hour and 3/4 to get up to King's Cross. It should be doable. Yeah, and I think I've got bike path most of the way. So, all right, let's make this train. Let's do it. Slowly over the speed bumps. So, I just linked up with my route on Commute. I thought I'd take the scenic bit to start with, a bit of a nicer ride off the road, no traffic. But I've just taken a wrong turn and may have been dawdling a bit too much. So I've got 18 kilometres to go and I've got an hour and a half to the train. Should be fine, but it's tighter than I want it to be. And also I've got to stop making wrong turns. So yeah, the race is on as usual. Let's go. Half now. Not where I wanted to be really on the road, but the bike paths are pretty good leading to London. I've just doubled my speed. So yeah, things are looking alright. I've just realised I programmed it in for a gravel route, so it's throwing me off the road. I need to get back on the road, make some time up. 1 hour to go to the train. I'm in Clapham. Not a good time. I'm going a lot quicker now, but I don't know if I'm halfway or not. I'm just going to have to start pedalling a bit faster. The traffic lights are getting done at every light. I'm just going to trust the maps. In Commutes we trust. So much worrying when everybody goes one way and you go the other. Where the hell? There we go, central London. Big old Ben. There's the Parliament, lovely. Well, I tell you what, it's my first time cycling into London, early morning. It's been all right. Bike paths are awesome now. So, okay, apart from that stupid woman, everything's been fine. There she is, baby. King's Cross Station. London St Pancras. Here we go. 20 minutes to spare. Not bad. Not bad. This is King's Cross. I've been to this station about 25 times. Still going down. I'm going up, mate. No, getting told off. That's where I want to be. Absolutely ramo. That's more like it. Oh, I can't even get it in the door. Right, all tucked up nicely. Before the train started moving. Right, go and find my seat. I'm right down the other end. Don't really want to leave the bike, but no choice. Right, let's go get seated. All right, just got off the train at Market Harborough. I think I've got about an hour 10 to get to the festival, if I can find it all right. So a few hills to do with this massive tank. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. And then yeah, got to try and find my way in. Find all the staff or crew camping and yeah, get set up. We'll do some work. Right, let's do it. Feels good to be back out in the countryside after the chaos of London this morning. Absolutely lovely.
She lies on her back with her head in a crack where her life might be. Halloween morning and terrorists done spawning for murder within.
Just stopped for a quick break, halfway. I haven't seen a single person or single car since I left Market Harborough. Lovely. Just peace and quiet. Definitely the calm before the storm when we hit Noisily for sure. Oh, my bike's going. All right, time to get back on. Halfway there. First big climb. This thing weighs a ton. Oh. Keep going, keep going. What goes up must go down.
He held out his hand, dropped some dirt to the ground like the reaper would do. Let your mind drift away, let fantasy ring. I'll be back for you soon. Please don't open your eyes and don't question them lies he'll be telling to you.
Lovely, lovely ride. I kind of wish I was just keeping going rather than going to work. But enjoy it while you can. Big guy all on his own. Very nice. Massive head. Look at the size of that head. I was getting a bit worried then. I've got like 400 metres to go. Didn't see any signs. That's the first one, heading in the right way. Right, okay. So here we go. I don't really know what to expect, to be honest. I'm a little bit not apprehensive, but yeah, stepping into the unknown. All good fun though. Let's see what's going down. Couple of tents in the distance. Get off the road. Okay, success. This is us, I think. That tent behind me looks suspiciously like mine, but the guys at the gate said it's not, but I think it is. So I just need to go and find some people now and find out what we're doing. But yeah, first leg over. This is the staff camping, the crew camping. Looks alright. Toilet, showers down there. Looks like that's the eating area. Alright, let's do it. Okay, it's not my tent. Just as well I didn't go in there. My tent is still on its way. Alright, let's find out. Ooh, see the nice glamping over there. You see it in the distance. Found everyone. Gonna go and drop some stuff off. I've got to sort these tools out. And then, just in time for lunch.